what's up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layer V. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti and if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. My name is Shanti, I'm from Singapore, I'm a blogger and YouTuber and I create new videos on the YouTube platform every Fridays at 6 PM. If you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Your support will go a very long way for me and all you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down this video and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it as well, just so new video updates like this will be reaching your inbox and you will be instantly be notified and you're not missing out on any content that's going up on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. If you'd like to know more about my review and opinion about this No Filter Concealer, then all you have to do is just keep on watching. I have been in search of a new concealer that I could try and review just to have a lot more variety in my makeup collection. Since I was in search of a new concealer, I've been hearing a lot of good reviews and raves about this product. I too was drawn to this product and I decided to place an order. In total, I placed an order for 4 shades and they are dark medium 30, medium 30, medium 28 as well as medium 26, because I feel like the shades that are showing up on different types of undertones, complexions, they are a little bit confusing because they almost look alike, and up close these 4 shades side by side, they look almost the same except each of them have a different undertone to it. So just so that I get a right color for my complexion, I was also very much concerned about the undertone that I'm picking out for myself, because every swatch is kind of different on different people. So that's one of the reasons why I placed an order for 4, and these were retailing, I want to say, about $12 and onwards. I'll put a link to where I actually got my Colourpop concealers down in the info bar below. So if you're living in Singapore and you would like to try out the No Filter Colourpop concealer, you will know where to find them. So let's touch base a little bit on the concealer's packaging. This is like the box standards, very usual format type of concealer packaging. Acrylic, comes with a white tube top or white top, and it unscrews to show you the paddle applicator. I absolutely love the applicator on this concealer, only because I feel like the paddle applicator has a nice amount of shape that could just rightly, fill you up wherever you need the concealer to go on for your under eye areas, if you catch my drift. Yes, I feel like each time if you want to be more careful and if you have very sensitive skin or acne prone skin, if you want to really make sure that you take care of your products like this concealer with every use, make sure that you're cleaning it completely off and then clean it off with a tissue paper before you put the application tip back into the container. That's one sure way to make sure that you're not contaminating the products that are lying on your skin into the tube top. That's one thing to take note of. In this Colourpop containers, there is a net weight of about 4 grams of concealer, which is considerably a decent amount of concealer that you're getting. Now let's get into the formulation of this concealer. How do I put this? If Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and Urban Decay's Weightless Coverage Concealer had a baby, I am pretty sure that this would be the concealer that would be the result of them getting together, because I feel like it's not too cakey, thick paste-like like the Kat Von D concealer, but it's definitely a lot more, a hairline different, thicker than the Urban Decay's Weightless Coverage Concealer, and it is of a very heavy full coverage concealer without being too dry looking on the skin. And the formulation on this, I believe it also contains white sapphire crystals, so it actually has that soft blurring pigment that kind of makes you look like you have this very soft radiance. This is what I have on my skin right now. And like I've mentioned, since I am not really sure about the undertones of the concealers, I just picked out a bunch of 4 shades that I feel like are the closest match to my medium skin yellow undertone. Medium 26 has a very cool undertone to it. I will insert pictures of my blog post where I've actually swatched the product on the back of my hand. Medium 26 has a cool undertone, whereas medium 30 has a yellow undertone. This is quite a good match to my actual skin on my neck. And when we go to a shade darker like medium 28, it has a tiny bit of like a peachy undertone to it. And then moving on to the last, which is a medium dark 30. It is quite confusing to see it from the tube because you would think that it's an acrylic packaging and it will reveal the actual shade of the concealer. But if you were to put them all together, they look very much alike. Maybe on the camera you can see that this shade is a tad hairline darker than the rest of the shades. Given that the price that these are priced around the $12 price mark, it is so amazing, a great value product, and I like the formulation. It's very hydrating, it's not too thick or cake-like, and it doesn't crease under my eyes. I also use the concealer as an eye base if I'm feeling really lazy to go and grab my eyelid primer. I like how they feel really nice and lightweight under my eye, and also because they are not creasing, I don't feel like I need to actually go ahead and blend out any creases under my eye or set my under eye. I've noticed when I've been wearing these concealers, when I check myself in the mirror, I don't feel like I need to touch up under my eyes at all, which is a great plus. The advantages of owning this concealer is that you're making a huge savings on your pocket and you're not forking out a lot of money, because like the Kat 1D and the Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealers, they can cost you somewhere around the $40 price mark or just a tad bit lower than that, whereas these concealers are priced at $12, which makes it almost 1/4 of a Kat 1D concealer or an Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. I really want to stress the point across is that these concealers, they perform just as well as the high priced concealers in the market. One other thing to note about this concealer is that the application tip has a nice bend to it, especially so if you have like a very deep set under eye area and you are usually like having trouble applying the foundation or the concealer. This has a nice bend. Like I've said, it bends nicely, it applies nicely, it blends out beautifully, and it stays put. In fact, when I wear this concealer, I really don't feel like I need to set the under eye area. That says a lot. And especially the price point on this one is a huge plus for me if you were to ask. I see myself using these concealers for as long as they last in my makeup collection, unless a new product comes up in the market and it intrigues my curiosity. Otherwise, I feel like this is a great product to have, and I can definitely see myself reaching out for this for more. For more information about the Colourpop No Filter Concealers, information will be available on my blog post. I'll put a link to it right down here or somewhere in the info bar below. And that's it for today's product review, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. If you did enjoy watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It will take a quick minute. All you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down here, and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it as well, just so that new video uploads like this will be reaching your inbox and you will be instantly be notified. And I shall catch you very soon in my next video.